Hi everybody, my name is Pedro and today I'm gonna teach you how to use Bityond. Before we do, please sign in to the platform if you haven't done so. Nice. Once you log in, you'll be taken to your candidate view. In your candidate view, you have your activity, jobs and your applications. You'll notice that the circle around the picture is green. Well, once you access your organization, you will notice that it will change to blue, meaning you're on your employer view. Here, it is the place where you can create all the projects and jobs for your organization. Let's dive deep into the organization page. Here, you can edit your organization details, invite people to your organization, and assign a role to each person that you invite. You will be able to see the projects that are occurring on your organization as well. Each organization has a role. You can have an organization administrator, an organization manager, or an organization member. Organization administrators can make changes to the organization, while managers are able to create projects and jobs. Members can only access the information. They cannot make any changes to it. Well, let's take a look at the projects and how they work. You can see that on the Projects tab, you'll be able to make changes and add projects. Once you go into a specific project, it's here that you'll be able to add and invite users to your project or create jobs for your project as well. Much like in the organization, projects have three different roles: administrator, manager, and member. The administrator can make changes to all the projects, while the manager can make changes to the project he's invited to or create new projects, and the project member can only see the projects. Once you have a project, you'll be able to create jobs for each project that you have. Let's take a look at the jobs page. Once you go into the jobs page, you'll be able to see that all belong to the same organization. Within each job, you'll be able to edit and add all the requirements that you need. You will notice the green M's. That means that those variables come into the matching algorithm that we've created. You can also invite somebody to your job directly. Right. Here, you'll be able to check the skills that you've assigned to your job. You'll be able to see as well all the matching profiles, so the people that match the job you've created. You'll notice how the skills always match and you get the matching result on the right. Let's edit the job to see how it works. You can add any skill that has been standardized previously by us. Let's try JavaScript, a technology, to see what happens. You will notice that the matching result diminished a bit, but we didn't make enough changes. So let's add directly a skill like SAP. Do we have any matching results? Oh no, no matches found. Alright, let's try to delete the skill and see what happens. Whoa! You'll see that immediately you'll get the result, meaning that the matching algorithm actually works. You don't need to look for candidates. Once you open the Edit button, you'll immediately see how many profiles match the job you're looking for by the skill set that you need. Look! Whoa! We found 0 profile matches. But once you take that skill out, we see 2 profile matches. It works. Another very important feature is that you can select if the job is open to foreign applications, remote work, external applications or internal. So you can use Bityond to manage your own employees or to recruit candidates. You'll be able to see at the end the applications, so who has applied to the job. You can immediately put it on hold, hire the person or reject them. In the application section, you will see who has applied to each one of your jobs. You'll be able to hire the person there, reject them, or even view the applications. Alright guys, we're almost finishing the presentation. If you want to create a new organization, simply click the New Organization button. You can also ask for help or contact us from here. Right, something that I can't forget is your profiles. This is a very important section. Once you go into your profile, you need to add all the information related to yourself, your skill set, and your experiences. This part is very important because the Bityond matching algorithm will show you jobs based on your profile. The more detailed it is, the more jobs you'll be able to see. Don't forget add your degrees and certificates as well. Of course, the most important section are the skill sets. You can see that your skills have different types, different priorities, and different working experiences. This is very important. Jobs are shown based on your profile, skill set, degrees and certificates. You can also see that your public profile is way more private than your private profile, obviously. Thank you. Hope you've enjoyed.